Understanding meme life. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the modern world of internet lingo by deciphering the phrase, meme life. As English continues to evolve, phrases like these pop up and become part of our everyday language, especially online. So, let's understand it together. First and foremost, before understanding meme life, we need to grasp the concept of a meme. A meme is a piece of media, typically an image or a video, that spreads rapidly online and is often altered in various ways to be humorous or relatable. Memes capture cultural phenomena and represent shared experiences or jokes among internet users. The phrase, meme life, can be understood in two parts. 1. Meme, as we discussed, it's a shared piece of humor or culture on the internet. 2. Life. This refers to a lifestyle or a way of living. When combined, meme life alludes to a lifestyle or mindset where memes play a significant role. It might mean someone is deeply immersed in internet culture or suggests that they view life's events through a humorous, meme-centric lens. It's one thing to understand a term, but knowing how to use it is equally crucial. Here are some examples. Ever since he started that meme page on Instagram, he's all about that meme life. You know you're living the meme life when you respond to texts with just memes. I spent 3 hours laughing at memes last night. It's the meme life for me. These sentences illustrate how meme life is often used to describe someone who either creates, shares, or simply enjoys memes a lot. There you have it, the world of meme life, demystified. As the internet continues to shape our language, it's essential to stay updated with such phrases. Remember, language is ever evolving, and understanding these contemporary terms can help in both casual and online conversations. We hope this video shed light on meme life for you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.